Money. Everyone wants it, but very few understand it. Some people run after money. Some people fear money. Some people blame money. But listen carefully. Money is not evil. Money is not magic. Money is a tool. And if you learn how to use this tool, your life can change. Welcome to Power of Listening, a place where we don't just talk about dreams, we talk about reality. Sit back, relax your mind, let every word sink in slowly, because today we are talking about something important, something life-changing. How to earn money.
Chapter 1. First, understand this truth. Before learning how to earn money, you must understand one truth. Money does not come to people who only want it. Money comes to people who solve problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you earn. Money follows value, not wishes. If you want money, ask yourself, what value am I giving to the world? Chapter 2. Change your mindset about money. Many people say, money is bad. Rich people are greedy. I don't care about money. But secretly, they worry about money every day. Listen, money gives you choices. Money gives you freedom. Money gives you time. Lack of money creates stress, arguments, fear. So don't hate money, learn money. Chapter 3. Skills pay you more than degrees. Degrees look good on paper. Skills pay you in real life. If you want to earn money, build skills. Skills like communication, English speaking, digital marketing, graphic design, video editing, writing and storytelling, sales, coding or tech skills, teaching or coaching. One skill can change your income forever, but only if you practice daily. Chapter 4. Start small, start now. Most people don't earn money because they wait for the perfect time. Perfect time never comes. Start small, start scared, start imperfect. Online or offline, doesn't matter. What matters is action. Small income is better than zero income. Small progress is better than no progress. Chapter 5. Earn before you spend. This is important. Many people earn money, but they stay poor. Why? Because they spend first and save later. Change this habit. Earn, save a little, invest in skills, then enjoy. Money respects discipline. Chapter 6. Multiple income is safety. One income is risky. Multiple income is power. In 2026 and beyond, don't depend on only one source. Learn to earn from job, freelancing, online business, content creation, teaching skills, and side hustles. Even small side income can save you in hard times. Chapter 7. Be patient, not lazy. Money does not grow overnight, but it grows with consistency. Many people quit too early. They say, it's not working. But listen, seeds grow underground first, before they show leaves. Stay patient, stay focused, stay consistent. Chapter 8. Avoid these money killers. If you want to earn money, avoid these habits: laziness, excuses, overthinking, comparing yourself, showing off, bad friends. Protect your time. Protect your energy. Protect your focus. Chapter 9. Money is not the goal. Listen carefully. Money is not the goal. Money is the reward. The goal is freedom, peace, growth, security. Use money wisely. Don't let money use you. Chapter 10. Final Truth. You don't need luck. You don't need shortcuts. You don't need overnight success. You need skill, action, patience, consistency. And remember, money comes to those who are ready to grow. Thank you for listening slowly. Thank you for respecting your future. This is Power of Listening. Come again, learn again, grow again. Goodbye. Until next time, work on yourself, value your time, and never stop learning. Because when you grow, money follows. Goodbye.